Alright guys, welcome along to another Monday modding. Hopefully this one will be a little bit more successful. We're going into the big X. Let's get in there. Right then, the job list for this is Kathl's not happy with the weight balance. Thinks she's a bit too heavy on the back end? Oh dear. I'll do some inspection on that one. The mouse controls do need adjusting, but I want to try something with that. So, mouse controls. In here. Yes. Icons are good. What I want to do is... I can't remember what the hell it is now. I want to see if you can mix and match. I want... Where are you? Pipe base. Takes all the pipe. Good. Camera... We don't have another camera. Just so we don't screw this up. You, come here. Haha. Right, I need to be looking at this. Alright, yep, we've got it all. Pipe hydraulic, pipe. Pipe. Excellent. 716, correct? 716, got you. Right, what is the dependent part? That 600, correct? Must be. But what exactly does it? What was it? 71600? No, it's just that. And it's auto aim. Okay, so 7160. That's not in here at all. That's just part of the auto aim. Okay. Those are dependent parts. Right, what I want to try then is copy. Should have just done with the key bindings. Dedoosh. Right, so that basically is what I want to attempt. Dependent parts, this could be an issue. Is anything dependent on that? You watch it, there will be. No, because it's moving tools. 7160. It's not in here at all. What the hell? There are parts attached to it, aren't there? Yes, there are. Aren't there? Maybe not. Huh. Maybe not. Okay. Everything here, Control Z, go back there. So nothing's attached to this. At all. Everything's just attached to that. Okay. Right, bugger. Right, well, let's just leave it at that for now and see what it does. What angle is it all on? That was that one. And it is spinning on the x-axis. We're now doing this one, and that is spinning on the x-axis, but it's all the way around. Could be a problem. We'll find out. Basically, I want to know if it's going to do this, if it's going to work on both, or if it's going to go batshit crazy. Let's find out. This could be fun. Moment of truth. The revelation. Come on, let me in. I've got a fresh cup of tea. I'm wired. Yes. Haha. You, come here. And survey says no. And it is extremely unhappy. It does. What the crap? So it does do them both. Sweet. Nice. Awesome. So I just need to figure out which bit's which then, don't I? The ROT min and the ROT max on that was 1330. So... correct? No. Oh, son of a... What was it? 716. 716 minus 10 to 20. Rot min, rot max. Start rot. Minus 10. Okay. So what's your... No, not you. There. Make life easier. You. 77. Wow. Okay. Control copy. And... Start rotation is 77. So what I'm thinking is... give me a scale. Minus 30, 0, plus 30. So if I say 100, what's that? 23 and 70, 20 off that, 67, 57, 55. Try that. We'll fix it this time and we'll save it. Oh, should have used Beyond Home. Why didn't I use Beyond Home? I've got 3 mods. They've just gone poof in. Right, you, come here. Shut up. Okay. Nice. 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 Okay, so that's good, right? Right? That's got some range on it. Power up, let's have a look. Pretty high, and we can also tuck it right in. You don't need to tuck it right in. Now you have to power off. And that's tucked away then. So that's actually the minimum, isn't it? Well, that definitely works. Right, that should give me... Do I need to go further than that? Do I need to extend the particle system? I think I need to do the particle system. It's a bit small. I have no idea which one's which. Let's find out. That's going up. Right, so... I wanted to put another 30 on there, didn't I? So... well, 87, 97, 107. And we take 30 off it, 67, 57, 47. Done. So I don't really think that needed to be any smaller. Did it, really? Okay, so that's going to get me that then. So I should now have the range I want. It doesn't need to be any closer. It really doesn't. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Yeah. Right. The other thing was the weight. The weight on the thing. What's the balance like? Is it only one? It is only one component. Nice. Right then. So the weight is down there. If we create a transform group, jump back over here. Components 0. 0.99 minus 0.65. So 0, 0.99 minus 0.65. Why didn't you do what you told you to do? Minus 0.65. Yes. So the weight has gone a little bit to the back. And it does weigh 15 tons. He said it was a little light on the back. I don't see how at that. Where's my info? To-do list. Yeah. Well, that can go as done now, can't it? That was a survivor. This is pain in ass. That's done. I've no idea what the hell Enzo was on about with that. I cannot replicate the weight off the back end. That doesn't make sense. It's got 15 tons hanging over the rear axle. And that I'm pretty content with. So, this could be success. Oh no, particles, where are they? Pipe effects? Is it pipe effects? I think it is. So, link node. One, oh crap, yeah, it's all of them. Bugger. I know which one's which. 071601. 071601. Yeah. And on the y-axis apparently. So if we go for 3 just to make sure we have it. Click out of there. Save. Fire it up. This should now be huge. If I've got it right. By huge it should be 3 times as long as it was. Which is probably going to be ridiculous. But just to make sure I've got the right one, this is what we need. Oh, I never saved it, did I? So it looks weird. Fire up. Right then. Yes! It's huge. Right, I do not need it that big. I'm thinking 1.5? Maybe? We'll try that. Really wish I'd come from beyond him. Save so much time. Oh well. We'll battle on. I'm going to save it this time though. Right, fire up. What do we think? Too much? Not enough? I think it's maybe too much. And it's showing through up there, look. But that's easy to deal with. What isn't is when you've got a trailer right next to you. I'm thinking of 1.4. Really am. 1.4. And I'm gonna have to move it out just a little bit. Something like that. Save that. Go. Hopefully this is gonna be it. Drink of tea. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've written that down wrong. He said it was too light, but I'm sure he said it was too light on the front rather than the back. You want the weight on the back so it steers. I didn't save. Now I'm saving. Done. Right. Bugger. You will move. Look at the power! Right then. Yeah, I'm feeling 1.4 on that one. Still touching the floor, but when you're trying to figure out just where that thing is, yeah, that's much better. I like the fact it'll double up as well. That's cool. That's very cool. Even that, it's still quite interesting mouse movement. Like that, there. That's keeping my wrist still, and it won't do the 180. So that's nice. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm pretty sure I don't have follow me in the mod folder, do I? No. Why would you do that? Why would you honestly have something that you need? No, nobody does that. So yeah, I'm liking this. it's going to work, because you can have that one next to you there, and you've got the other one over there. Just to make sure you can see where it is, you need the range on the particle system. But we'll have to take it for another test. So I'll get back in the MP with this, and everyone will be a winner. Can I hire it from here? I can, but it won't go anywhere because there's nothing there. Ha ha ha. So this is where we need to drag the trailer. I love this little thing. Should have spent more time with it. Right, and now you're going to come over here. Yes, yes, yes. All is well. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Yes. Beautiful. Yep, I like that. Very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, progress has been made. See, the issue we had with this on the MP test, if you guys haven't seen it, was we couldn't hit the fur trailers because that final lip, well, if the last deflector isn't controlled, or wasn't, now it is. Very, very cool too. I like that. Is that maybe just a little much on that one? Possibly. It's not going to matter. Yeah, very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, this was a success. This one worked. Haha. Nice. Very nice. Yeah. This is cool. I like having a success story. Not like the Big M. What a douchebag that has been. But I've had a thought on that. Let's jump out of here and I'll show you. Just a little something I found while I was messing around in here. Check this. This has never had a PTO on the rear mowers, but it is in here. They never even named it, look. That's the bracket for it. There's the PTO. Check that out. They never did one for the other side, but it looks like it was cut in, but it was never put on. It's obviously hiding in here, so I wonder if there's somebody over at Giants having a very similar issue with this to what I'm having, and they've just thought, fuck it, when it's come down to FS15, because everything else is beautifully animated, wickedly so, and maybe they just couldn't get it to work right. I don't know. But like that is one complete mess. How the hell that would fold, I don't know. So what, it goes somewhere like that, somewhere like that. I can understand why. But yeah, PTO hiding in there. Sneaky, sneaky. Basically, I'm having fun just trying to get these bloody things. Oh, no, no more, no more. We've had success. Big X is a good one. Big M is a douchebag. Yeah, back to the Big X. This works. This is nice. I like this. This is my friend. And on that note, guys, thanks very much for watching. We will catch you all next time. See what we get up to. Laters. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to hang around. Catch you next time.